everyone, I'm Jane, and today I'm joined by my favorite colleague, Osaz and
Hey.
Dame Milade, and we've got some big news to share from all of us at Offshore Dimensions.
This one is major. Offshore Dimensions has officially joined the UNIFLEX family. That's right. We are now official distributors of UNIFLEX hydraulic equipment.
If you are in this industry, you already know the name. UNIFLEX is globally recognized for world-class crimping machines, hose cutting tools, test benches, you name it. German precision, it's built to last.
And now, you got all the goodness right here locally. No wait times, no stress, no guesswork. Offshore Dimension is now your trusted direct line to authentic UNIFLEX products.
It is more than having machines. It's about having a team that actually understands your need, and we can work with you every single step of the way, from purchase to setup and support.
We are not just selling equipment, we are offering real solutions to real challenges. Whether you're setting up your workshop or scaling your business or replacing outdated systems, we got you covered the right way.
So, if you've ever dealt with delays, knock off for poor support, you can forget about all that now. With UNIFLEX and Offshore Dimensions, you're getting the best, direct, reliable, and efficient.
And let's be honest, when precision engineering from Germany meets the practical, on-ground expertise of Offshore Dimensions, that's a win for your operation.
We are ready, trained, stocked, and fully backed by UNIFLEX. This partnership isn't just exciting, it's game-changing.
So, whether you're in the oil and gas, construction, manufacturing, or anywhere hydraulic equipment matters, we're here for you. Expect fast delivery, expert service, and absolutely no compromises.
Come and see what's new. Ask questions, book a demo. We are not just distributors, we are your partners.
Offshore Dimensions and UNIFLEX are officially official, and we're proud and ready to serve you better than ever.
Bye.